Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. This is the box right here. We're going to dig in, test out the products, see how they perform, and see what the prices are, and actually see if the box is worth it or not. Okay, so recently Boxycharm did change their prices. The box went from $21 a month to $25, but instead of getting over $100 in products, you will now get a $125 and up price range for the overall box. Okay, so this is the inside of the box, and this is everything that comes in there. I guess the theme is stellar. It says Boxycharm Stellar in the front, and it tells me everything that comes in the box, what they do, and their prices. Okay, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to pick out this product right here. We're gonna try this on first. So the first product is this right here. It is by the brand Cypress. It is an antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. Okay, it says it's supposed to lavish your skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and array of soothing botanicals. So basically it's a serum that hydrates your skin. So it comes in this blue little bottle right here. It says apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night. It is like a milky colored serum. It does feel very hydrating. I'm just gonna get maybe 4 drops. I mean, it does feel nice, and it does soak in pretty quickly to the skin, which is nice. So yeah, so far so good with this guy right here. I'm going to keep using it and see if I really like it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to grab in the box is this right here. It is a 2-brush set, I guess. It comes with these 2 brushes. I'm not sure what kind of brushes these are, but they look pretty unique. So this is how they look like close up. It is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. The big one is a multi-purpose powder brush, and it is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the small one is a foundation brush and has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. I wouldn't use these type of brushes for foundation or powders, but I'm going to try them anyways to see how they work. For my foundation, I'm actually gonna use my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I think I'm going to use the big one for foundation, and maybe this one to contour, because this one is a little bit too small for my liking to put on foundation. Okay, so I don't know why my foundation looks like that, but in person it looks a little bit more natural and less yellow. Okay, so yeah, I just changed the setting a little bit to see if my foundation would look better, and it does. As you can see, this brush is actually doing a pretty good job at blending the foundation into my skin. So yeah, the foundation looked pretty good. This did blend it out very well, so I'm happy with that. Okay, to contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Truffle. Okay, the brushes are very soft, and they do blend out creams very nicely. I obviously didn't try it with powders, but I'm not going to. But for the liquids, it's blending out these liquids very well. Okay, so I just finished the rest of my face off camera really quickly. So the next thing in the box is actually this. It is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. So these are the colors. I know there's another one called the Celestial Storm. It is a little bit different than this one. I guess this is the mini version or something similar. The colors are super pretty. I'm going to be doing a look with this, so I'm going to get started right now. I'm going to take the shade Storm Dust, which is this very nice, very pretty brown shade. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in a little bit. So far this color is applying very nicely. It is super blendable, which I love. Okay, so I just added Lucid Dream, which is this pink shade on the crease, and it is super nice. I've never tried anything from the Dominic Cosmetics line. This is actually the first thing I've tried from her line. The pigmentation is super nice. Yeah, and I am so glad it is in this box. I'm just going to cut my crease with my Tarte Shape tape. I'm going to take Eternal Light, which is actually very pretty, and I'm going to put that on the lid. It is super pretty and sparkly. I love it. Okay, so the second to last thing in the box is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte in the shade Charm. Okay, so it is a velvety high fashion matte finish, and it is a rich long wearing color. Okay, so I've heard so many good things about the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, so I'm really happy that it came in the box, and I'm actually really happy that I'm going to try it on today. So this is the lips all dried. It did actually dry very quickly. It feels super nice on. So yeah, I'm going to move on to the last product, which is from Lily Lashes. They are the Lily Lashes Faux Mink Lashes. It is handcrafted false eyelashes that flawlessly blend in with your natural lashes, instantly adding length, volume, and definition. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Okay, so now we're going to count the total value of the box. So the first product I used was the Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, which is a whopping $90. I've never heard of this brand before. I don't know why it's so expensive, but it is really nice to have. So yeah, it is $90. And then we used the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. This cost $35. It is super nice, super sturdy, and the bristles are really soft. Then we have the Dominic Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Palette, which is also $35. It is super nice, and the price isn't too outrageous, which I like. The colors are super pretty, super pigmented. Everything was super nice in this palette, so I really like this palette. The Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, which is $18. But yeah, it is super nice. It feels great on the lips. The last thing we used was the Lily Lashes Faux Mink Lashes, which is $25. And everything added up is $203. The whole value of the box is $203. You can't beat that. I only paid $25 for everything. But yeah, I really love the box. I mean, I don't know how they do it. I bought this for $25. It's $25 a month. For just over $20 a month, you're getting over $200 of products, and you get 5 full sizes. I don't know if I mentioned that, but you get 5 full products. But I think next month in December, it is when they're gonna release their Boxy Luxe box, which I think I'm going to do an unboxing as well. So please subscribe and stay tuned for that. But yeah, Boxycharm is definitely worth it. I've been getting Boxycharm for a really long time now and it never disappoints me. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for videos every week. And yeah, I will talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.